Super excited to share these solar post cap lights that I got for my outdoor fence. I got the brushed copper. It is really pretty, especially in the sun. I like that it already comes with batteries. You can change that switch right there to either bright white or warm light. Don't forget to pull that tab before you install. Up next is the reflective design. It's super pretty, and I really like how easy it was to put all of this together. This is the base, and you just kind of twist that right here. You just twist it, you will flip it over and put it over a 4x4-inch post. You can make it more permanent with the provided hardware. Love the reflection that comes off of these. I chose the warm light. This is a dark corner in my yard. Look how much it lit that up. This is a great way to add some cordless outdoor lights for less.